Hello students, how are you? Hope you have completed your worksheet number 4. Today we will calculate simple interest when time is given in days. Always remember, when simple interest to be calculated and time is given in days, then convert the time in years and then follow the same formula of simple interest, that is principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time. Let us discuss one example. Find the simple interest on rupees 1300 at the rate of 5% per annum for 146 days. First of all, principal is rupees 1300, rate of interest 5% per annum, time is 146 days. So our first step is to convert these days into years. Normally when we are not mentioned about the year is a leap year, we will always divide these days by 365. And students, always remember these numbers are the multiples of 73. I am writing here first 5 multiples of 73. These will be very useful for you if you will remember these numbers while solving the questions of days. Right? Now observe, 146 is the second multiple of 73 and 365 is the fifth multiple of 73. If we remember these numbers, we can easily do the cancellation here only. That is, time became 2 by 5 years. Right? Now, simple interest. Principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time. Rate is 5%, so 5 by 100. 2 zeros got cancelled, 5 ones are. Now it became 13 twos are 26. So the simple interest is equal to 26. Next example, what amount will Reena get by investing rupees 4500 at 4.5% per annum for period from September 8 to November 20 of the year 2015. Now we are given principal, rate of interest and time for some specific dates. We will calculate the number of days here and then we will convert these days into years. So let us see what we have to do. First of all, note down the principal 4500, rate of interest 4.5% per annum, that is 9 by 2% per annum. Always remember this is per annum. And time is 8 September 2015 to 20th November 2015. What we are going to do? Count the number of days. On September 8, we got the money deposit. Now, it means for first 7 days we have not deposited any money. So, we will get the interest for 30 minus 7, that is equal to 23 days. In October, for the whole month, the money was in bank. So, for 31 days. And in November, on 20th November, the money was withdrawn. So, the interest will be given for first 19 days. So, the time became equal to 23 plus 31 plus 19, and that is equal to 73 days. And I just told you a few minutes back, 73, 146, 219, 292 and 365. These are the first 5 multiples of 73 and very useful for us. See here, 73 ones are and 5s are. These two numbers are given to us. So we can do the cancellation here easily. It became 1/5 year. Now principal is equal to rupees 4,500. Rate of interest is 9/2 and the time is 1/5. This is 9/2%. So 4% we will write 100 in the denominator. Fine. Now do the cancellation. 5 9s are 45. It became 81/2. Now convert this expression in the decimal form. 40.5. Now amount 4,500 plus rupees 40.5. We have to calculate the amount here. So it became 4,540 and we normally used to write the digits, 2 digits after decimal for writing the money. So we can write it as 0.50. Both are okay. You can do in any of these ways. Now your homework is complete worksheet number 5 of chapter 5. Thank you.